Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bluetooth devices are not showing up in Windows 11 or Windows 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem by downloading and installing the latest Intel Bluetooth driver. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 11 or Intel Wireless Bluetooth driver, depending on your version of Windows. Open the official Intel download page. On the Intel website, download the latest Intel wireless Bluetooth driver that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now click Next, accept the license agreement, and continue through the installation wizard using the default settings. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, restart your computer. Restarting is important because it allows Windows to load the new Bluetooth driver properly. After your PC restarts, open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Turn Bluetooth on if it's currently off. Next, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and wait a few seconds. Your Bluetooth devices should now appear in the list. Select the device you want to connect and complete the pairing process. If your Bluetooth devices still don't appear, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section and make sure your Intel Bluetooth adapter is listed without any warning icons. If you don't see the adapter, click Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. In most cases, installing the latest Intel Bluetooth driver and restarting the computer resolves the issue. That's all for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Windows troubleshooting guides.